Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, acanthocytes. What are acanthocytes? Acanthocytes are the RBCs with spikes on it are called as acanthocytes. If the RBCs have spikes, then we call it as acanthocytes. They look something like this. Presence of RBCs with spikes is called as acanthocytes. Now, these acanthocytes are seen in conditions like A beta lipoproteinemia. We can see them. These can be seen in liver disease and neuroacanthosis. So neuroacanthocytosis. Okay, acanthocytes are RBCs with spikes on it are called as acanthocytes. These acanthocytes include A beta lipoproteinemia, liver disease, and neuroacanthocytosis.
thank you and thank you for watching.